Greetings from Kyrgyzstan Admission Center. This is Yogesh Kumar Sahu. Today I am back with another video of how to effectively learn from the online lectures. This video I have especially prepared for the NEET aspirants, those who are actually preparing for the NEET UG 2020 competitive exam. So students, I believe that you all are actually utilizing this lockdown phase as an opportunity to prepare for this competitive exam, and hope you would be using different mediums such as online websites, blogs and different applications which are actually mobile friendly to facilitate your studies and the preparation.
Hence, I am going to put forward some points before you so that you can take this up to effectively learn from your online lectures. First of all, make a proper planning before the delivery of online lectures start. Set up your table. Your table should be well organized. It should contain a personal computer or a laptop or tablet or a smartphone in which you are watching the online lectures, and it should contain a good network connectivity. Second, make sure that there are no disturbances while you are watching the video. Also, try to log out from the social networks and turn off your phone. Listening to the information delivered online requires a significant amount of time, concentration and self-discipline. Third, consistently attending the program is a key success. Always keep yourselves prepared for the upcoming video lectures. Make sure to keep the lecturers or trainers' contact or email address in case if you want to have your critical doubts cleared. Since during this lockdown, the internet service providers are able to arrange low speed connectivity because everyone at home now is using the internet. So it is important to have your learning goals and objectives defined. Go only for those portions which are not at all clear for you. Also try participating in online discussion, assignments, try attending quizzes to review your gained knowledge. And last, make a quick summary of the information that you have received through the online lectures, as you can use some details and information which you have noted down in event when you have forgotten some concepts, or you can also revise with these notes at any time.
So in this way, my dear students, you can very well successfully build your knowledge from the online lectures. Yes, it is very important to take notes immediately after you have watched the online videos or in lecture, because it will actually help you a lot in the near future. Make a habit of taking study breaks after every certain interval, and try calling your friends or batchmates to have a small discussion over the topic which you have seen, as this will help you to improve and boost your knowledge, and you will be engaged thereafter. You will not get bored. At last, I want to wish you all the best of luck for your exams. Please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.